check out this adorable 5x3 metal shed that we're putting out at the farm. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this 5x3 metal shed. No, we don't have a floor in it yet. The floor is coming. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Greg got a couple of install clips before I got here, so we can drop those in here and you guys can see a little bit of the process of the installation on it.
So we've started assembling it. We got the base done and one wall. And as you're going, you're going to want to hold it up and stabilize it because it's going to be a little bit flimsy. And I recommend wearing the gloves because the edges are all really, really sharp. All right, we now got 3 of the walls up and it's starting to look like a building. Let's keep going.
Yeah, this one's pretty nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So it's going to be great for like putting your garden stuff and things like that. It's not staying right here in the middle of the grass. We were just putting it together here because it's a little warm out today and it's nice that it can be assembled here. I'll go inside since you're a little too tall for that. Right. Since it is... I
can open it.
Yeah, you can open it for me. Yeah. But it'll be nice for like all of your... Oh, that is pretty cool. All your garden tools will be able to go right in here. This will make it so nice. It's got the nice stable on the doors. Like Jamie said, it's got the lock and the key. So you can lock your stuff inside of it. This is actually pretty nice. It's got a metal roof. So everything is metal. How long do you think it took you to put it together?
A couple hours.
Couple hours with 2.5 people putting it together?
The most time-consuming thing, I think, is putting all these little washers on all these.
Yes, that was my job. When
it has all the plastic washers, so that'll help keep it from leaking.
Yes, that makes it nice. So make sure that you do that so that it doesn't leak. But this is pretty cool. And use a magnet, yeah. This is pretty nice. I definitely like this shed. We're going to move it to where it goes and fill it up with some stuff. This is a win. 5x3, perfect size for all your garden tools. You can even fit a small push mower in there. That's pretty nice. Look at that. That looks pretty nice. That's where all the gardening stuff's going to go. That's where the garden is. That's going to be pretty nice. We recommend this. If you need a nice shed, we definitely like this one.